Yo, what's up guys, Zikyo here. This will be my first ever Warzone YouTube video. I'll be using the Swarm and the SVA, and I hope y'all enjoy the content.
I'm really to the top.
Enemy soldier incoming.
That's the only way I can run a team wipe by myself.
Famous. Occupation
Twisting
scan.
and all. Wait, what?
They're dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Remaining operating gas is closing in.
What am
Friendly gun. Target down. Mark.
Don't want to hold hands, they're gonna die holding hands.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting. They're dropping into the area.
I should have threw a knife first.
Bro, what the?
Yeah, I'm down like 2 or 3.
One tap.
Watch
Nice.
the skies.
Tap me.
Kill.
Fuck.
Fire sales over.
Down one.
Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
You.
Located the rest.
Exactly.
I said I'm hacking.
Marking the rest of that squad on your.
What?
Located the rest. The safe zone. No one in the area. Watch the skies.
Damn, that's gotta suck, bro. What did you say? Yes or no? I got 21.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna buy it just in case we need it late game.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come fine. Yeah, nigga, you go.
32?
Enemies
Sheesh.
dropping into the AO.
What's BRZ?
35.
Squads outside.
Good shit. 35.
He laid on the floor. What up?
Yeah,
Are they up top?
Nah, hell no.
Oh, those are the last 2 then coming out of there.
Yep.
He died to gas. Oh, got it.
Hey.
Yo, what's up guys, it's me again. So for the Swarm, we'll be using the WSP Reckless barrel. Muzzle will be the Purifier. Underbarrel will be the SL Skeletal. And we got the 100 round drum. And then the model 2023. And for the SVA, we got the STV Precision. The muzzle is the Sonic Suppressor. Underbarrel is the Bruin Heavy Support. We got the 60 round and Eagle's Eye. And if you enjoyed the content, go ahead, leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Peace.